everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing super well. So it is full on winter in Cape Town today, this week actually. I think we have some sun on Friday, but it has been relentless, so I have to use my lights. Actually, I'm not using my studio light, I'm just using my normal room light. I just didn't want it to be too harsh, so I like that it's coming from above me, but I'm still using my big window as the main light feature. So we're gonna see if this turns out okay. If I can upload it, we will see. I'm just separating my fringe because we need to get into these eyebrows. And I don't know what to do with this hair, if I'm gonna curl it or just straighten it some more or just leave it as is and not really get involved. But today I thought I would do an autumn makeup look. I haven't done one of these in a very long time. I don't know if anyone ever has makeup looks that are specifically geared towards a season. There tend to be changes like in the foundation I use. During autumn, winter it tends to be a lot more full coverage. I can play around with different formulations. During summertime, I completely steer away from full, like heavy foundations. It's always about as lightweight as possible and more buildable instead of just like full coverage foundations. But we're also gonna play with color a little bit, autumnal colors. So I'll be using the James Charles palette. I'm gonna go for some browns and see where that takes us. So if you wanna see how the look turns out, stay tuned. What is so funny is that this morning I actually stepped out of the house to go and get some coffees, and I was wearing this polo neck and I was hot. And I was wearing this wig too, and I just was so hot, and I was like, okay, it might be raining and like cold, but I don't think we are in polo neck weather yet. But I love the color, so I put it back on. I like doing a super high arch when I have a fringe going on. I actually haven't worn this wig in years. I could never wear this wig during the summer, which is why I tend to remember it during autumn, winter. But I don't even think I wore it once last year actually. I think I forgot I had it. To prime my skin, I'm taking the Benefit Professional Hydrating Primer. I'm just going to concentrate this along the T-zone and forehead. Okay, so foundation I want to use today is Estee Lauder. This is the Estee Lauder Double Stay in Place Makeup. I've been thinking about this foundation for the last week and I've been wondering about her. How is she doing? How are you doing? It's been so long, girl. It's the season to pull you out. I always love it when I use this foundation. I always just become nostalgic and I just remember what a boss babe she is. So I'm excited about that. You want to go for a hydrating primer when you use this foundation because she's not forgiving, honey. Sorry guys, I don't want to get the back of my hand dirty. We're gonna have to just go old school with this thing. They do come, you can buy pumps with this foundation. You just have to remember. The finish is insane. Love the finish. It's so flawless, honestly, and the application is such a treat. I mean, look at that skin. Are you joking? It looks and feels very good. It just looks flawless, honestly. So the concealer I'm going to use is Lancome. This is the Lancome Tinted Doll Ultra Concealer. I'm going to use the shade CN. I'm going to use her to, yeah, this is so full coverage. I almost forgot. I have to be super careful. This concealer is super thick and very full coverage, so really a little goes a long way. I feel like you could cover up tattoos with this. Cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and bake. I'm gonna use my Sacha Buttercup powder. This is my favorite powder to really brighten and look more on the yellow side. Then I'm gonna set the rest of my face with my MAC Studio Fix powder in MC47. Contouring and bronzing with my Smashbox Step by Step contour kit. And I'm gonna go in with MAC Raisin on the apples of my cheeks. So let's get into this eyeshadow palette. I want to go in with some brown tones today. I'm gonna go in with this brickish, oh that is very good. A dark brickish brown. I'm gonna take my Sigma E35. I'm gonna just take this to the crease area using the corner of the brush. I think I'm gonna go in with this, I think I'm going with this super dark, the super dark chocolate in the crease. I'm gonna take Cypress Amber from my Soft Glam palette and just I'm gonna go in with Burnt Orange in my Soft Glam palette. Is this the correct brush to use for this? I'm just gonna pat this on the lid. I'm gonna apply mascara. I'm taking my Maybelline Push Up Angel. Alright, so I'm gonna put on my lashes off camera because my battery is complaining and I don't really feel like this shutting off while I'm doing my lashes, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna get into highlighter really quickly. I'm just gonna reach for Gold Deposit. It's like right next to me. And then I'm gonna just do my lips, and this is how we're gonna tie this whole look together. So I really want to have a lip that is like aesthetically autumn winter, so I'm taking MAC Photo. It's a beautiful brown. Then I'm gonna go over MAC with the MAC lip gloss in, I forget the name, it's significantly lighter. And I think this is the finished look. Okay guys, this brings me to the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. Very autumnal with the colors, playing around with some browns. We didn't know where we were headed a little bit for a moment there, but I think we pulled it together. Didn't go too dark, too smoky, but just more on the autumn side. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you liked, shared and subscribed. And yeah, I'll see you on Sunday.